Hi, today we're gonna inspect the air filter on the CBR650R. Almost 1 year or so, couple of months, almost 2 years. She has done about 2764 kilometers. Oh, as you noticed, I've emptied the fuel tank because I need to take this tank off. Seats will come off, the side cover will come off, right seat will come off, the top cover will come off, this will come off, and yeah, we'll take it forward. I'll show you once I opened it. As for the front seat, we have to open this nut with one of these. Stanley. Okay. Number 5. Allen head. Okay. So let me open this up. Now you see the seat is off. Also, I just remembered, always disconnect the negative terminal when you're doing some work. We're gonna move on to opening this one. Alright. Okay, to take this thing off, we need to hold the clips here from both sides with 2 hands and then gently lift it up because it's got some velcro on both sides. Alright. There you see. And the velcro I was talking about here and here. Okay, this is where it sticks on, and even the cowl, you see, these are the clips, and these are the 2 clips you got to be careful of. Alright. Okay, the next one is this cover. It has 2 small clips here, you see, here, which I pressed already, and the other one is here. Alright, so all you need to do is take a small screwdriver or something, go onto it, and let me show you properly. Okay, get to the center, this, press it down a bit, you hear a click, that's it. So now these were disengaged, you can easily pick it up both sides gently, and the cover comes off. You see these 2 nips, so be careful, don't lose them, keep them somewhere safe. Remember, there is a screw in here, if you don't see, right here on both sides. Open this one up and then you can remove the whole section. With opening this one, which is pretty easy, you have to pull it like that, okay, and then once it comes off, you gotta move it off. See, when you clip it off, go here, make sure it's moved, gently pick it up and take it off, because this hinge is very dodgy, can't break it. Yeah, and this is where it comes out from, both. Now you see the side cowls are off, both sides. Now we're gonna go and work on this one. We need a number 10. Okay, number 10 socket wrench like this. Okay, now that we have opened both of them from both sides, we can lift them up like this. You see there's a cavity underneath, padding, and those pipes are the ones we need to remove. So I want to put a kind of a cloth here to hold it down. Okay? Now, since I put a cloth here to keep it up, no scratches, what you need to remove is this one, the clip. Remove this, the second pipe, then this clip. You gotta push on one side and it slides off. It does drop a bit of fuel, so be careful. Then we have another one. This is this clip over here that you have to press and just pull out. Once you've done disconnected all these 3, then you will work on this nut. Alright, so let me finish this, get back to you. One thing to remember, this clip, it's can be pushed inside, you know. The way to remove it is to just pull it out and gets in place. Okay, this is the clip. Once you pull it out, you're gonna drop a bit of, okay. There you go. See, that's how you remove it. See a bit of oil falling. Keep a cloth over there. Okay. Next is to remove this clip. Alright, keep it aside. This is the kind of strut which comes out from here. Alright, keep it along with the both So there we have it, the tank is off. There it goes. Now keep this covered with cloth. This is the air box which you need to open. Okay, this is a nut we gotta be careful of, so I don't have a normal one, so I'm going to use a magnet on my screwdriver to help me out. So what we need to open is this clip, this hose pipe, this one, this clip, and that one. Then we go about the nuts, and I'll try to keep the nuts in order, so I won't mix up. Let me try opening it. So this clip is kind of confusing. Do not try to take it out from here. This is being held over here. Alright, so all you need to do is lift this up and put a flat head over here. So once you release this, this will come off. Yeah. Okay, I managed to open all of them without any casualties. So let me see, all these are out. I'm gonna open the box. Right? One more thing to note here: when you try to pull this off, you find this clip which is attached here. So just pry it open with a screwdriver and just pop loose. Okay, unveiling of the condition. Wow! See, my box is too clean. Considering the air filter is impeccably clean actually, and it's actually metal on the outside. I need to open and have a look. And plus, my trumpets are actually de-restricted, not like the ones in UK. I'm happy about that. So we see, I've opened it from the back. It looks perfect, but when I opened it, this is the condition of the. These are the intakes. You can see the gold right there. I'll have this cleaned up. Maybe, I don't know, use a blow on my filter or get a new one. Yeah, alright. The thing to keep in mind, if you want to install this nut back, make sure this clip is taken off, because if it is inside, the wire obstructs the hole. So you better remove the clip and then put the nut back and screw. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video, and this is what I have done on my own. And I refer to a manual, the Haynes manual. This is a Haynes manual which I purchased from Amazon, and it really helps me out quite a bit because it is quite detailed, and yeah, there's plus and minuses for keeping this book, because when you have this book you'll always itch to do more, but it always helps you out, because most of the time that if you don't want to take a bike to service and the small things you want to do on your own, like you're setting the chain and setting the clutch or the brakes, or bleeding the brakes yourself, or cleaning up the tank or the spark plugs for that matter, and the air filter box, whatever, small things I can do it on my own. So this actually helps quite a bit, provided you have a bit of tools with you and you're a bit not tech savvy, a bit mechanical savvy you might call it, which I am to some extent, but yeah, this work quite helped me a lot. The condition of the filter was not very nice, but I did try to call the company to get a replacement. Since it's not available anywhere else, the company said it's going to take at least 40 days for it to come. That's shocking for one filter. It just costs about 800 bucks or so. So I'm wondering when it will come. I placed an order, so right now I just cleaned it with a toothbrush, and still okay in condition because it's only run 2,000 kilometers. But for some odd reason, the gunk which was collected on the filter was like very greasy in a way, like mud has collected on it. Maybe because the filter is not supposed to be cleaned and it has some kind of adhesive stuff in it, which I've read in the manual. And yeah, that's about it. So that is the only disappointing thing about Honda, but the bike is running fine, and hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.